Alright, so welcome to Astroboden. Just had a delivery of my new mount. UPS just came in with it. So very excited. I'm upgrading from my CGEM version number 1. Bought it second hand, so this is a brand new nice mount. Really looking forward to it. I've had a problem with backlash and whatnot with the other mount, so I really have high expectations on the belt drive and the new system. Anyway, so this boxes just came in and got a few indentations on here, so I hope it's going to be okay. I hear they usually pack them in double cases, so I hope it's all right. We'll see once we get this opened up. Yep. So, start with the tripod. Okay, double cases. Nice. Go. Okay. So let's see. Here we have. I think this is the accessory tray. Here we go. I don't know if you can see that there. I'll just get the rest of the stuff out of the bag. Got the counterweights. Two of them. 5 kilos each. Got a little battery planetarium. I guess that's some other equipment I'm looking. Alright. Okay then. Get that out of the way. Stick that up here just for show. Let's take the table away later. So, the nice thing about this is that you can actually leave the accessory tray on here when you fold it up. On the CGEM, you can't. You have to get the accessory tray off. This just comes in like that. Really neat. Alright, so you have a couple of screw holes here on the head part of this, and I guess that is to attach the mount head to the tripod. Yeah, you got the adjustment screws to adjust the leg height on the inside. On the other one you have it on the outside, and if anything can snag on anything, it will. So that's a quite nice little thing right there, I think. Let's see. Okay, well, stick that away, and then we'll get to the star of the show. Alright, so mount head time. There we go. boxes. Okay. So what's meeting us is a notice to keep the boxes for storage and a manual. Let's read them later, eh? And da 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 da. Nice and snug. Oh. There we go. Nice. Oh, wow. That is nice. Look at that. Well, there's a few other things in the box here. I couldn't wait to take that one out first though. Okay. So, well, since I got that out of the box, I might as well put it on the tripod straight away. Alright. Good. Okay. So the counterweight bar, which we have right here, should be going in here, and that should extend on top of one of the legs, which should be pointing north. So we're gonna try to do that, fitting that right in there. Maybe. There we go. There we go. Nice. Perfect. Okay, so we have 3 screw holes here for the mount head. So we'll can look through the rest here. We've got the 2 azimuth adjust screws. We should be going in here. Just stick them in a little bit like this. And there we go. These screws for the to hold the mount head. And these are some Allen screws. And you can find the Allen key for this, yeah, right under there, and can use that for all the bolts on the mount, for touching the head and for securing the top there once you've set the azimuth. And I don't know, maybe there are some other screws that you can use that with. Right now I'm just going to snug them in my hand, I think. Yes, so we're safe. Alright. So you stick that back in. So, what else you have? You have the Nexstar Plus remote. And we have power lead, cigarette plug, and a threaded DC connector. We also have the remote control holder strapped onto the leg. Okay, so camera died midway here, but we'll just carry on for where we left off then. I just moved things away, packed the box away. We'll carry on with the counterweight bar. And thread this in like so. Comes now in like a brushed steel instead of a shiny. Oh, this is Balti, by the way. He's my cameraman. Just checking the scene here to make sure everything's good. How do you like the set so far, Balti? Yeah. I think he approves. So, counterweight 5 kilo. Comes on like so. Snug that up. Stick the toe saver back on. There we go. Okay, so I guess we'll just plug this in and see what it can do, eh? We'll start with the remote maybe first. Do the remote holder. Like that. So this has got a USB mini port on it, not the other 8 pin plug that we used to have. This goes into the aux 1 or 2. I just use 1. And we have the threaded DC connector coming in. And this is a little point that I've been thinking of. Like, it's really nice that you can't trip on it and unplug it. But on this system, this stays in position, so it's not going to move with the head as it slews around. That means that the mount itself can't tension the wires and plug them out. That means that if you don't walk around the mount, there's nothing to pull this out. But if you do, that means you're not going to just unplug the power. You're going to move the entire mount. And that means that you're going to have a lot bigger process to go through to get things up again than if you just plug the power out. At least on this system where you just go to home position and then you can basically do last alignment, and that would be maybe more convenient if you didn't have this threaded system on. But anyway, yeah. This is supposed to be a lot more power hungry than my other mount. So this 7.5 amp hour power box is really not the best for it. But I guess it will do for now. So, clutches on. There, power on. So, verifying packages, ready. Press enter to begin alignment. Set switch positions. This is new for me. Don't have the switch positions on the CGEM. New sound for me. Belt drive working. I can't say if it's a good sound or not. Sounds good, but